Hi, Jenny here. The 4th of July is coming up soon, and so I thought I would make a quick and easy dessert that you can take with to somewhere if you're going somewhere, or just to eat at home, because why not? So today we are going to make a dump cake. Let's get started. For this recipe you are going to need 1 white cake mix, 1 can of blueberry pie filling, and 1 can of cherry pie filling. And then 3/4 of a cup of butter, so that's a stick and a half. Alright, in a 9 by 13 pan, we are going to dump in our cherry and our blueberry pie filling, and then just kind of mix it up a little bit so it's mixed up. Next, we are going to take the white cake mix and just sprinkle it all over the top. Make sure that that's pretty even. And then, with our butter, we're going to cut that into 1 tablespoon slices and place those evenly across the top. In the meantime, you can also preheat your oven to 350 degrees, so that'll be ready to go when we're about ready to go. So on the butter, my oven's ready to go. On the butter, it has the markings of pretty much where to slice it. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna grab a cutting board. Although, it'll be easier to slice it all first and then place them on there. Now we will bake the cake for 45 minutes to an hour until the top is a nice golden brown. The dump cake is done. I've never made a dump cake before. Have you? I've seen a couple of the YouTube channels that I watch have made dump cakes. And I thought, well, that's interesting. And I saw one that was made for the 4th of July, so I thought, well, I want to try that. Because why not? Looked easy, and 4th of July is coming up. So obviously you can make this with different ingredients. We did the cherries and the blueberries for 4th of July, so it'll be red and blue. You can't really tell the difference out here, but it'll taste that way. So I know you can add whatever, pineapple, apple, whatever pie filling that you would like. I will leave this recipe down in the description below. And if you know, you have to hit that see more to see all the good stuff that we put in there. Let me know in the comments down below if you've ever made a dump cake before and what ingredients you have used. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna enjoy my snack. You guys, keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye. I added a little Cool Whip just because I had some in the house. That is very tasty. I like that. So you have to. My daughter saw apple pie filling and she wanted me to make an apple one. So I think I'm gonna make this again because it's delicious, and I will use apple pie filling. I almost forgot. I was going to give a shout out to my cousin Chris. Yeah, thank you she made this cute little necklace. She is into aliens and she loves doing, she does glass beading, and so she makes all kinds of different alien type jewelry. So I have some alien earrings that she made, and she sent this one off. Just one for me and a different one, little different style for my mom. But very cute. Unfortunately, she does not have an Etsy shop. I keep telling her, Chris, you need to start an Etsy shop. It's another reminder, get out there so people want to buy this. She has been, I guess, to a couple bead shows, but in any case, it'd be nice to have a shop online that I could look at her stuff and order some more things. But anyways, thank you, Chris.